In CSS, when we want to use tailwind CSS, we will face some issues. So in the screen, you can see that we have some commands to use it, and we encounter some error. So in this case, even if we install, this error still remain and it is not fixing. So I did tried multiple times the same process, it's given me the same error. So what I did is very simple way. As of now, the current installation, without mentioning the version number, it's by default. It's, if you look at your file, go to this package JSON in the all the way, you can see that if you go to the all the way down, you can see that tailwind CSS 4 point, that's by default it will install the latest one. So what we can do is we can just change the version to 3. So what I requested to change the command, almost the same command, you just need to mention the version which you want to install. I'm going to install the 3. You can see on the screen that is 3 I installed. So it will take a little time and to install. So it's done everything, and the same command we will do the exactly the same process after the next npx download initiate and the same thing. So I hope it will be fix your problem and we can run tailwind CSS without any error, and it is fixed. You can check it your configuration, and tailwind CSS is to upgrade to 3.